Life will be easy, but we gonna try, yo. Small by small, we go reach the sky, yo.
TEA. T. Thoughts, emotions, actions, the path to success. We often underestimate the power of our thoughts, the depth of our emotions, and the impact of our actions. But when these three align, they create a powerful force that drives us toward success, fulfillment, and purpose. In Matthew 7, verse 7, Jesus gives us a simple yet profound roadmap for achieving what we desire. Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and it will be open to you. This mirrors the T principle. T. Thoughts. Ask. Everything begins in the mind. What are you asking for in your thoughts? Your inner dialogue shapes your reality. If you dwell on negativity, you will attract obstacles. If you fill your mind with faith, possibility, and vision, you open doors to greatness. What you think, you become. E. Emotions. Seek. Emotions fuel our pursuit. Seeking is not passive. It is driven by passion, desire, and belief. When you seek with your heart, you move with conviction. Doubt paralyzes, but faith energizes. Your emotions tell you what truly matters. Listen to them, harness them, and let them guide you forward. A. Actions. Knock. Thoughts and emotions mean little without action. Knocking requires effort, persistence, and courage. Every great achievement comes from consistent action, even in the face of rejection or failure. Keep knocking, keep moving, keep believing. Put it all together. Think positively. Ask with faith. Feel deeply. Seek with passion. Act consistently. Knock with persistence. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions work in harmony, doors will open, opportunities will appear, and transformation will take place. So today, I challenge you. What are you asking for? What are you seeking? Where are you knocking? Your tea is brewing. Make sure it is strong, bold, and full of purpose. If you want to learn more about how you can brew a strong tea, go to Amazon. Come and buy my book, Rise from the Ashes, Turning Pain into Purpose.